The Executive Secretary of the National Universities Commission (NUC), Professor Abubakar Adamu Rashid, has on Monday, the 16th of January 2023, commissioned the Twin Lecture Theatre named after him at the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano. Professor Rashid, who unveiled the building, expressed satisfaction with the facility put in place and thanked the university management for naming the Twin Lecture Theatre after him.
In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, I am pleased to have been invited to declare this building open for the benefit of Maryam Abacha University, for the benefit of the students present and the others that will come over the next years, decades, and centuries. And in the name of God Almighty. This building, named Professor Abubakar Adamu Rashid Twin Theatre, was commissioned by me, the Executive Secretary, National Universities Commission, on Monday, the 16th of January 2023. MashaAllah.
He commended the founder and chairman governing council of Maryam Abacha American University, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, for his contribution towards uplifting the standard of education in Nigeria and beyond. After commissioning the edifice, Professor Rashid was taken round some places in the university, including the Murtala Ramat Mohammed Library, Ibrahim Usman Yakase Sport Complex, and School of Health Sciences. During the event, Professor Rashid was accompanied by Professor Gwarzo, the Vice President Administration of MAAUN, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Vice President Campus Life, Dr. Hamza Garba, and Mr. Ibrahim Usman Yakase. Others were the Dean School of Social and Management Sciences, Dr. Mahmoud Mukhtar Saeed, and Vice President Finance, Mr. Dauda Abrazak Kayode, among others.